Is red dye 40 harmful to hummingbirds? Have you ever wondered if the bright colors in nectar are safe for our feathered friends? Today, we will look into the question, is red dye number 40 harmful to hummingbirds? Red dye number 40 is often used in nectar solutions to attract these beautiful birds. However, there are some concerns about its safety that we should consider. Hummingbirds have unique physiological systems that differ from those of humans and other animals. While there is no definitive research showing that red dye number 40 is harmful, some studies raise questions about its effects. For example, when a hummingbird consumes nectar with this dye, it can remain in its body for over 24 hours. This prolonged exposure could lead to health issues, although we do not fully understand the extent of the risks. Another factor to consider is the amount of dye that hummingbirds might consume. These tiny birds need to drink a lot of nectar to fuel their high-energy lifestyle. If the nectar contains red dye number 40, they could ingest large quantities of it. Some studies suggest that high doses of certain dyes can cause DNA damage in other animals. This raises concerns about the potential health risks for hummingbirds as well. In the context of birding ethics and responsible practices, it is wise to avoid using food coloring in nectar. By doing so, we can help ensure that hummingbirds are not exposed to potentially harmful substances. Instead, consider using natural attractants like flowers or simply providing a mixture of sugar and water. A good ratio is for parts water to 1 part sugar, which creates a safe and effective nectar solution. Creating a healthy feeding environment is essential for our feathered friends. By choosing not to use red dye number 40 in nectar, bird enthusiasts can help minimize any potential risks. This simple change can make a big difference in ensuring that hummingbirds thrive and continue to visit feeders safely. So, the next time you are preparing nectar for hummingbirds, think about their health and well-being. Choosing natural options not only supports their needs but also aligns with responsible bird feeding practices. Let's keep our feathered friends safe and happy by avoiding food coloring in their nectar.